Okay. Tell me, what is a noun? I want you all to raise your hand. Amaya, tell me what is a noun?
A noun is a naming word.
A noun is a naming word. Yes, Amaya, tell me once again.
A noun is a naming word.
May I also tell me how many types of nouns we have studied?
5.
5. Hazel, what are the 5 types of nouns?
Abstract noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun.
Janvi?
Ma'am, common noun.
Yes, common noun. So how is which is the like we have learned in a proper way? Proper, common, abstract, material, collective, right? So first one, proper noun. Pratna, what is a proper noun?
A proper noun is a proper name of a place, thing, animal, or place.
A proper noun is a name, particular name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Example, Pranav, Pratna, Sweden, Niharika, Vaishnav, Hazel, Joyrick, Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala, Trishur, Oppo mobile phone, Vivo mobile phone, Apsara pencil, Reynolds pen.
Morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Understood? So names given particularly to somebody, Snuffy, Tommy, Tuffy. Names given to somebody in particular is called proper noun. Okay. Now I'll get, you all have to do an exercise. Ready with your notebook? Rough book, sorry, rough book.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my phone charge is coming 20. Can I the power saving?
Yeah. So when you put your phone into power saving, 1 minute.
Ma'am, my bird
Oh,
is
sorry,
on
recording was.
November.
Please, 1 minute. Please check when the recording goes off, okay? Please check, okay? We'll repeat the answers. Okay. So, what is your name? You have to write your name. Name the 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So, you can have questions like, on which planet do we live in? Which is the biggest planet in our galaxy? Which planet has maximum number of satellites? Or which is the planet nearest to the sun? Which is the planet farthest to the, so you all have learned this thing in your EVS too, right?
Yes.
Yes. So I don't have any problem. Okay. On which day do we have holiday? Sunday.
Something.
When is Christmas celebrated? When is Republic Day celebrated?
Could you repeat the question?
When do we celebrate Republic Day?
January 26th.
26.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
August 15th.
August 15.
When do we celebrate Children's Day?
November 14.
November 14th.
When do we have New Year?
January 1st.
January 1st.
Ma'am, my birthday is on January.
Very good.
My birthday is on January.
My
My birthday is on March.
Now we will go to the second one. Now we will go to the second one. Which noun? Common noun.
My birthday is on November 20th.
Good, Atharva. So you'll send me chocolates, okay, Atharva? So those who are celebrating your birthdays, please WhatsApp me your chocolates, okay?
Birthday is on me. Ma'am, my birthday is on
Okay,
March.
now let me continue with the teaching now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is it?
When is your birthday?
I will tell after the class.
And your birthday is on
So
November.
you can wish me. Okay. Okay. What is a common noun? Shringa?
To person, place, animal, or thing.
Shringa, we have heard only half. Can you tell us once again? Yes, Shringa, tell once again.
Common to person, place, animal, or thing.
Yes, names of common person, place, animal, or thing. Then on in general, like boy, girl, table, chair, curtain, laptop, mobile, cat, dog, anything, school, bus stop, anything. Yes, common noun is very easy. That anything which is common.
Yes,
The boys are playing in the river.
Boys river.
The girls are going to the school.
School.
School. Okay. So this is the common noun. What is the abstract noun? Just raise your hand. Yes, Atharva.
An abstract noun is a feeling,
Yes.
thought.
Ma'am, can I say Anne Maria?
Yes, Anne Maria, tell.
Abstract noun is usually the names of quality, action, or feelings.
Yes, abstract noun is a feeling, action, or emotion, quality. Okay. So it is very important that you should remember that we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot use our senses. We have 5 senses, we cannot use our 5 senses in the abstract nouns. Okay. We have to feel the abstract noun from within ourselves. Okay. So I'll give an example. The soldiers were, raise your hand, the soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. This is the abstract noun over here. Pranav?
Bravery.
Bravery. Catherine? The elephant has great strength.
Strength.
Mayasa? Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Cleanliness.
Only cleanliness?
And godliness.
Yes, and godliness. Okay. The next one is material noun. What is a material noun?
It's a
Wait, Amaya, wait. Adira,
Yes.
what is a material noun?
A material noun is a name of a thing.
No.
Name of a particular.
No.
Material.
Yes, Sringa. Sringa, you have to unmute. You have, I think there's some issues.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Material nouns are names given to any things, not things, material.
Any material from which the things are made. Please remember, material nouns are the name, words given to the substance, material, from which the thing, the final product is made. I'll give you all some examples. Yes, Sribhadra, you can do that. I'll give you all some examples. Aditya Krishna is sitting on a wooden chair. So which is the material?
wood.
Aditya will answer because I'm calling out Aditya's name. So Aditya will answer. Answer Aditya. Wood, not chair, just wooden. Okay. Niran is using a cotton curtain.
Cotton.
Are you all Niran? Niran, please answer. Niran, unmute. Yes, Niran, tell the answer.
Cotton.
Cotton. Joan is sitting on a plastic chair. Yes, Joanne is selling plastic, but she has some network issues. Yes, plastic. Now, the silver bangles are very beautiful. Hadi, the silver bangles are very beautiful. Hadi, unmute and answer. Adidev, MB.
Ma'am, you call me?
Yes, Adidev. The silver bangles are very beautiful.
Ma'am, silver.
Yes. The gold.
Silver is an adjective there.
Yes, sir. I
Silver is an adjective.
negative.
Bangles is the noun. Bangles are made of some materials.
Okay. Sir, I did not hear you. So it's not audible to me. So, okay, we'll go ahead. So now you all have understood what is material noun. The last one, the collective noun. Okay. What is a collective noun? Who will answer what is a collective noun? May I answer? What is a collective noun?
A collective noun is a noun for groups. Ma'am,
Yes, we can hear you, Mayasa.
ma'am,
Yes,
can you hear?
yes, Mayasa, we can hear you.
Ma'am, collective noun is a noun for groups of people, place,
Not
animal,
place. It's not place.
animal or thing.
Yes, animal or thing of the same kind together. Yes, Atharva?
Ma'am, in the notebook you have given a question of collective noun in that a crowd of people were gathering at the market. In that crowd is the collective noun, no?
Yes, the crowd is the collective noun over there. No, I want a definition. What is the definition? What do you mean by, actually, what do you mean by collective noun? Who will tell me what do you mean by collective noun? Yes, Rana?
Group of person, place, animal or thing.
See, in collective noun, place will not come. Okay, group of person, animal or thing of the same kind. Of the same kind together. It should be of the same kind together. Okay. So now I want you all to solve an exercise. Then we'll discuss this. Okay. The examples of collective nouns. Quickly solve this exercise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We want to write the questions.
Yes, you have to write the questions. You have to write filling the blanks with the appropriate collective nouns also. Right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. I give you all 3 minutes to complete. You all can take the screenshots. See here, there's a small. Okay. Mute everyone.
Can you read the sixth one?
A dash of players.
Come on.
Nyasa, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
I'm finished.
2 more minutes. Complete. 1 more minute to complete.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Good. Okay, now let's discuss a dash of lions. Arjun, a dash of lions.
A pride of lion.
Very good. Aditri, a dash of elephant.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, we can hear you, Aditri.
Ma'am, a herd of elephants.
A herd of elephants. Janvi,
Ma'am,
yes,
can you hear me?
yes, Janvi,
A dash of thieves.
yes. Answer,
Ma'am,
yes. A dash of thieves looted the jewelry shop. Yes, Sri Rupda.
A gang of thieves.
A gang of thieves. Okay, Janvi, a gang of thieves.
okay, ma'am.
Niran, not Niran, sorry. Achut, dash of grapes were hanging on the vineyard.
Ma'am, bunch?
Yes. Others mute. Hail, a dash of stars were looking beautiful in the sky.
A cluster of stars.
Clusters. Okay. Arjun, a dash of players.
A team of players.
Yes, a team of players. Please mute. Yes, Atharva, tell. A dash of sheep.
A flock of sheep.
A flock of sheep were grazing in the farm. Joan, dash of ships. Joan. Vedika, dash of ships.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay, Joan.
Ma'am, every of ships.
A fleet of ships. Okay. Vaishnav, a dash of musicians were playing for the party.
Band of
A band of musicians. Anne Maria, a dash of bees.
Ma'am, shoal of bees.
No, so we don't say shoal of bees. What is a dash of bees?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
Nyasa.
yes,
Ma'am,
Nyasa.
swarm.
A swarm of bees. Please practice your nouns, collective nouns, the entire set which I have given to you all properly. Okay? Okay. One more important instructions. You all have to write, make sure that the exam is written also. So whenever you write, you all have to.
Today we have seminar.
No, we don't have seminar, Anne Maria. So whenever you write proper nouns, you will write with the capital letter.
Ma'am, I am ready for the seminar.
No problem, Anne Maria. We will do the seminar next class. Okay? Okay? Give me a minute. I'll take down your attendance. I will share these notes afterwards in your WhatsApp group. You all can check your answers also. Okay? Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
One more important
Thank you, ma'am.